boo. I'm using them up right now, so I can't clean them up before. They're tearing them up because my mop broke. It was a 4 times. I've bought it 4 times. I asked for the replacement pole, and they have not responded. And more likely going to be repaired instead. Unless they want to fix the whole unit, not Amazon has it with the other pole. They're probably not going to fix anything like that. They're going to just use up what's in stock. Anyway, hi girl. Is there a reason why you're not letting the babies come up on the bed? They're not there. Maybe they'll sit down, but they're supposed to be over here at the top of it. Good morning, boys. Good morning. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, Danny boy. You're so handsome. Good morning, Froggy. Good morning, Froggy Jr. We haven't got named yet. Good morning, Froggy Jr. I love you too. Good morning, Chrissy. Good morning, Daddy. I'm so happy. I'll call you. You're going to call you over there. I don't know. I'll let like a couple of weeks. You're going to have to know what happened. So we're going so fast. I usually wait until they're adults. Did you go back in your nest box? Okay. I took her out, but she's been in there all night. She has no eggs. And I checked. Let me check her egg under her armpit. It's just that Mama will come in here and see the eggs. So I'm going to ask her armpit check when she's my birthday. And check to see if she's not hiding any eggs in her armpit. So that's how we got secret and do it. She was sitting on. And I didn't know the whole time her mama had laid the egg. We still have 3 eggs in here. Well, I gotta see if they're gonna hatch or not. I hope so. We can actually see them. I hope to see them. I'm hoping, crossing my fingers, that they're all gonna be the blonde ones, because that's what we're looking for. Otherwise, I'm going to have to order again. Because I can't start a line with 2. I need 6 at least. The odds of getting a boy out of that is pretty high. My last one, I only got one boy. The rest were girls, so it's kind of scary there for a minute. Oh, look, she's got her little leg up so that she's holding them. And she's straining it so much by doing it. Her little leg gets shaking. It's not cold in there. I have it down to 93. That's why they're cuddling up to her. But it helps with the bonding process. And oh my god, it's so adorable. You okay, baby? Uh-oh. I think she got something stuck in her throat. She probably took something too big. Oh, Mama's helping her. Oh, she's It's too hot. I can't turn it down because the babies need it. But she's panting. So it's 93 in the shade. It means it's hotter in the direct sunlight type situation. I'll take her out for a minute. And then we're going to turn it down. Hi, baby girl. Is it hot in there? Yeah. You're doing such a good job. I'm very proud of you. I love you so much. I'm just holding her next to my heart right now. We haven't bonded for a little bit because she was taking care of those other babies. She's actually taking care of, this is her second group. And her first group is down there. They're almost ready to be put with the mom. But not quite. I have to wait until they're a little bit bigger. They all have their fuller feathered and everything, but they're tiny. Now they have I have teenagers in there right now with the mom. That's usually when I transfer them over. When they're almost about 4 weeks old. 4 to 5 weeks. Hi, baby. And these ones down here are at 3. So. They'll be 4 and I think Monday. I have to look at the calendar. That's a cute baby. I'm going to turn it down because it's 93 on the wall. And that means it's warmer in the middle. I'm going to break their food up. I wait until it dries out just a little bit before I start breaking it up. Because it'll just clump again. But it's too big for them to eat. So I'm just going to break it up a little bit so they have something. I just put too much water. Alright, now it's gummy on my hand. What's flying around here? Is that a bluebird? You guys stay upstairs you go, okay? I don't want you on the floor. I want the babies over here with you, Rosie's over here guarding things so that she's listen, so that the babies are over here. But I'm going to open up the doors now. The baby likes to sit here and talk to the papas. So you need to keep that, leave that up there on top of the nest food. Alright, the boys have already been fed and watered and everything, and they've actually been changed over. You guys gonna be here today? It's gonna be nice and sunny. So I am gonna turn the light on. What's up? Alright, lights are on for the boys. I don't have the camera on here, so on. The light coming through my stained glass window. I want to do the top like that too. I just didn't know how that looked like it or not. I just watched it with me. Right in there. Alright. I'm going back to work, you guys. I'm watching you guys on the camera so I can see you. I'm going to push out the water. I think we're going to do that. I'm switching out the water so we got two groups sharing the same water because they're too big and they like so all they're doing is spilling the water and making a mess and not getting no drink. So they're sharing the tower because I have to look for something like that if I can get it now with all the tariffs. Let's see if I can get it that size, or at least a cup. That would do. Because I wash out my stuff. I rotate them every meal and or wash it out, and so that's like they get washed out like 3 times a day. So in the morning, at noon, and at night, and then some of the 12 girls will get another one at 9:30. They'll get a drink. Their water will get replaced. Cause that's the time they do. You feeling any better, baby girl? She loves those babies so much. She's such a good mama. Look at that pussy one. Oh my god, she is gorgeous. She is so pretty. I'm so excited. I just wish I had 6. At least. That's the only thing. Well, I have still 3 eggs in there. And we'll see what happens. Let's just see, Mama. Now, the one that she's cuddling up with, that is actually related to her. So they're sisters or brothers or whatever. But they are related because they have the same mama and papa. So their mama and papa is Ruby and Red. So she'll look identical to her. Or he. We don't know. So far don't know if I have any boys, Red. Because I won't be breeding them again. And so Red would be the only boy, which is scary. Because I don't have any backup for him. I definitely have backup I have now, I think it's 3 sparrows and 2 tuxedos. And I do have my Sunny D, but my Sunny D is a standard solid red, but he's a lighter red color than red is. And so he's the smallest, and red is a jumbo bird. He's a big bird. So that's my biggest concern is I haven't gotten any boys, so I am actually hoping that this is a boy. Now I don't know why they all are having maybe she isn't the same. She could be related to the pharaoh and him, because I did breed him with her too. But anyway, this last one will be from the Red and Ruby. And I don't, hopefully it's a boy. But I need a backup. Look at him, boosting on her leg. It's just freaking adorable. It's not straightening her leg up, that's for sure. I'm gonna roost on it. She's just sitting in her butt. Also, pretty baby. Turn the heat down a little bit, and we'll start like this. It'll take a while. But I like to have it like at 90-ish on the sides, and then that way in the middle is around 95. That's where I want them to be right now. Be nice. Hey, I'm watching you, Miss Me. Mama's not going to be happy if you be mean to your sister and brothers. And I know they look just alike, and you guys look different, but that's okay, because we don't care. We love you anyway. That's a pretty, pretty girl. That's a sweet, sweet love you all. I know it. You're so handsome. I'm so hoping that's because I think that all the other ones are from my feral and red. Because they all have that white wing tip, and that would be the feral coming through. I think. Because I didn't have any tuxedos with him. Just the feral and red, ruby. And both ruby and red are solid. So, I got one from her, and she looks just like Panda and, so I don't know, I have to talk to Rebecca about that because I don't know what that's called. Because, she looks identical to Panda and, I'm terrible with recall, so having all these names is the only downside to having them. Because I name them all and I can't remember their names. And they know their names and they get upset when I don't say their names. So that's why sometimes I'll say like baby or honey and different things like that. It's not because I can't remember their names. When I was having my I don't know what you want to call it, PTSD meltdown, shutdown, associations on the world type situation. I called it, I still do to this day, do it. But I call people who, once again, it's because I can't remember who call. When I'm stressed out, I can't, those things that, it's asking most people to do an equation while somebody's got a gun to your head, that kind of thing. I can't do it. So when I'm having my mental faculties are being strained or I'm in pain, one or the other. Sometimes at the same time. That's not a good day. But anyway, when any of those two things happen, it's like my body defaults to survival mode, and it kind of like takes all the stuff that I struggle with my speech and recall and pulling up the information I need to survive in this world. That stuff just goes to the wayside. It's not that I can't get it done, it just takes me 3 times longer instead of being able to say, recall what the word is, and I need that word for some business or whatever. I'll have to go on the internet and Google things the meaning of it, and then it will come up with like a glossary of different words that it matches, and then I can find the one I need. I suppose it's roundabout way for a person like myself to don't learn disability and that processing issue of figuring out how to get the words. Because the bad part about it is I can see the words. What's the matter? I'm right here. What's the matter? I'm going to go on and morning college or what? I'm going to see if I get yesterday. Which they shouldn't be because it's early in the morning. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. I'm just going back to work, guys.